Drop it.
Hello there, this is Gerald from TheChippyPranks, and in this episode I am going to do the sneezing prank. Now this is what's going to happen, watch carefully. Please give me some tissue, I've got a terrible cold. Achoo! I hope you like it.
There you go.
Oh,
Okay. No, don't worry.
Achoo! You won't have a tissue with you, no? Please. I will. Achoo! Please, not. No, sorry. Madam. No, forgive me, it's for a prank. It's for a prank, it's for a prank. Oh, excuse me, you won't have a tissue with you, no? I've got to tell. Well,
maybe I just have some.
no, I've got a terrible cold.
Yeah,
I do.
Yeah.
Oh.
I do.
Wait.
Mama, take it back.
Oh no, it's sort of.
¿Habla español?
Sí, ven amigo, es que tengo un resfriado. Mira, tiene, ¿qué quiere? ¿Qué? No, ¿qué dice?
Por aquí no hay una tienda que vendan queso y cosas de aquí.
Yo te puedo decir. ¡Achú! No, espera, no, espera, ven un momento, voy a explicar algo, voy a decir dónde que te da asco, ¿no? You don't have any tissue with you, no? Tissue. Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you.
Nothing. You like that?
Oh my God. Have you got a tissue? This one is old. Where is he? Hurry up before he goes down.
Wait.
Hurry up. I'll close it for you. Hurry.
Clean. Needs a clean one.
Ah!
Get out of this.
You don't have a tissue, no?
No, I haven't.
Espera. Shit. Mira, tiene un eso, please. Un tissue. Achoo. No, que te... Ven, dame. Espera. Achoo. Excuse me, you don't have a tissue, no? Please.
Yes.
Achoo. Hurry, please. Hurry up, please. So my dear followers, I hope you have all enjoyed the sneezing prank. I am so happy the public have given me all these tissues free of charge. So happy sneezing days! Achoo!